All-in-one rice cooker kit. Our rice cooker is designed to provide you with a simple and effortless way to cook delicious, soft and fluffy rice along with a wide variety of dishes. It comes with everything you need including a steam tray, rice measuring cup, and rice spatula. Smart user-friendly. The multi-use programmable cooker is designed with a digital display which coupled with the 11 cooking programs allows you to make delicious meals in seconds. The clear view glass lid allows you to easily observe the food being cooked while the cool touch handles allow you to move it with ease. Multi-purpose cooking pot. Whether it's fluffy rice or a hearty soup, our rice cooker and vegetable steamer has you covered. Using the steam tray you can quickly steam veggies, fish and more with the touch of a button while the Sauté-then-Simmer function provides high-heat sautéing then automatically switches to simmer once the liquid is added. Large capacity. This multi-cooker can cook up to 10 cups of rice at a time, 2 to 5 pounds meat or a whole chicken giving you the freedom to cook anything your heart desires. It's the perfect choice for making meals for family, friends, parties, picnics and more. Easy to clean use. Thanks to the non-stick coating, the inner pot can easily be removed and cleaned without any hassle in the dishwasher. With rice measuring cup you can always make just enough rice for yourself or for family. We've also added a keep warm function so you can enjoy warm and delicious meals anytime you want. Included components: steam tray, rice measuring cup, serving spatula. Material type: aluminum. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent rice cooker. I received this very fast and securely packaged. I cooked with it right after I got the delivery and of course cleaned it. It makes wonderful rice. I can't wait to use all of the functions that it has. I will have to play with rice-water ratio, but other than that it was perfect. No problem with condensation escaping, but again I have only made rice so I hope I don't have that problem some people have had. I have owned quite a few rice cookers from very cheap to expensive, but I have to say this by far is my favorite. The see-through lid is a bonus and the buttons are easy to read, most have very small letters. It reminds me of a Instapot, but better, I don't have to worry about it exploding if it get too much pressure. I would definitely recommend this product to anyone looking for a pretty much all-in-one cooker. A friend of mine has this and she uses hers for hot pot, which I love. The sauté feature will come in handy when making a dish that calls for cooking onions, garlic, etc. first, then adding the protein. I will revise my review and add pictures when I make other recipes with my new rice cooker.